the escape key not working on your Windows computer? Then try these fixes in this short video tutorial. Now the first thing you should do is clean the escape key gently with a brush and use a can of compressed air to blow out any dirt particles that might be trapped beneath it. You can also try to disconnect and reconnecting it, and while you're at it, try a different USB port this time to determine if there's an issue with the USB port on your computer. Another thing is to restart your computer, which is an age-old troubleshooting tip that can help you with a variety of issues including this one. Now doing so will give Windows and its services a fresh start, resolving any temporary glitches. Next, run the keyboard troubleshooter by opening Settings, choose Troubleshoot, click all the troubleshooters, scroll down to locate the keyboard, then click Run. Then check if the escape key works. You can also try turning off filter keys by opening Settings, go to Accessibility, choose Keyboard, and turn off the toggle keys next to sticky keys. So that I can fix the escape key if it is not working on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.